This video is about empathy. Empathy is the ability to listen to someone else, see things from their point of view, and then use our own words to show them that we understand what they're talking about. A key tip is to not just say you understand. When you listen to someone, they talk about their problems, and if you just say, I totally understand what you're saying, that doesn't feel good and they won't respond well to that. So we need to demonstrate by listening and with the intent of trying to understand what are they experiencing, what are they thinking. So we might need to imagine seeing things from their point of view and really kind of getting into their world and seeing how they're experiencing it, what they're thinking, how they're feeling. And then say something like, it sounds as if you're feeling like this and this has happened. And so an example would be if someone's got upset with another young person, you could say, it sounds like you've got really upset when they said that, and then you would explain what it might have meant to them or how whatever they've said to you. And so you could focus on the feelings, you could focus on the thoughts, and as long as you are okay with being corrected, then you're going to do well because you're going to have listened, then you're going to be trying to understand. Then if they correct you and say, no, that's not quite right, then you're okay with that, and then they tell you more. And then they will feel like you do understand then. And so it's all about building the relationship so that they feel like you understand them. So helping them to know that you are listening and that you are trying to get it right and that you will understand. And so empathy is then listening to them, seeing it from their point of view, and then communicating that you understand in a way that they can see that you understand. So you would paraphrase and use their words to show them you understand.